Hey, my friends, it's Kevin from Unity, and this Sunday I'll be doing the talk on the power of imagination. And I'm going to use the movie Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory as part of our reel to reel movie series to start us off on a discussion of one of our most controversial and powerful of our powers, imagination. And with imagination, we can send ourselves into a spiraling depression, or we can create an absolute wonderful world of our dreams. It's all up to you, up to us, how we use our imagination. So we'll talk about some ways to use our imagination for our good and our thriving, as well as how to avoid using our imagination to create the opposite effect in our lives. So I hope you'll join me. This is a really interesting topic and a powerful way to change the course of your life, potentially. And if you like chocolate, of course, maybe there'll be some chocolate there for you too. So I'll see you Sunday.